Alright, gentlemen, today a little Alpha M craft time. I am going to attempt to change the color of these tan suede boots to brown suede boots using a little suede dye. So the story goes like this. I saw these boots online. I was like, oh, they're awesome. I'm going to wear them all the time. I got them. I was like, they're cool. I really dig the boots. I dig the fit. I dig the shape. I love them, except I don't love the color. And what I find is that I'm just not wearing them. But I thought to myself, if they were brown, I'd wear them with a lot more because it would match with a lot more of the clothing that I have. Now, I started to experiment with this one. You can see that the toe is a little bit darker, more distressed. I had black shoe polish that I just started messing around with. But then I ended up buying this suede dye. It comes in a lot of different colors. I got it on Amazon. It was like $8. The directions: brush item, removing dirt. These are new, so they don't have any dirt on them. Raising the nap. Apply dye and let dry and raise the nap again. So let's shake this up nice and well. Now it's time to get down to business. This dye comes in a lot of different colors. I went with a chocolate brown, but you could also get it in like black. You could get it in burgundy and blue. Then it looks like you just brush it on. This is pretty easy. Go over it. And that's it. What do you think? It turned out pretty damn good. Which one would you buy? I gotta tell you, I'm a little impressed with myself with this one. I see some areas that I still need to touch up, but overall, it worked incredibly well. Now, they're still wet. When they dry, I'm going to take a big heavy brush and kind of go over them just to bring the nap and the life back into the texture of the suede. But this is a great experiment and something that you can try at home. All you got to do, go to Amazon, like $8. You can buy the dye. It comes in black, it comes in brown, it comes in blue, it comes in maroon. It comes in a lot of fun colors. So if you've got a pair of old boots and you want to rock them a little bit differently, or just change them up. Guys, dyeing, it's an option, apparently. Who knew? Thanks for watching. If you dug this video, give it a big thumbs up.